Hey guys, we got a 2007 Kawasaki Vulcan Meanstreak 1600. Okay, so to get the front tire off or change the shocks or whatever you want to do in the front, in a minute you have to buy a special tool. So, just to save you guys some money, all you really have to do is loosen those two with a size 6 Allen wrench. Take your 13/16 spark plug socket, put it in there. Okay, 13/16 nut welded to another nut. Slide that in there, and then just your another 13/16 put it on there, and she's loose. What do you know? And I will even, let's see. Without issue. Thanks for watching.